Guys, I just wake up from with my pajama. I mean, it's not my, it's my. Sorry about that, but this is my what is called? It's called pajama. I remember what it's called. But today, girl, you know what I mean? I'm gonna play with. This is slime. So this is not basically mine, but it's like it's my sister, and my sister said I can have it. My little sister. So she told me that I can play with it and make a video. So yeah, so let's play with it. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And let's get started. So So here is the slime. And I don't. This is not the one. This is not the only one that's gonna have. Is this one? That is. I don't have slime, but it's not done yet. Yeah, and it has spiders in there. I hate spiders, but don't worry. It's not real spiders. Like, how would that be spiders? Okay, so let's start with this one. Okay. So here is the slime. Pink. No, it's like. So here's the slime. Oh, it's like googly. It's like googly, but it's soft and good. I can make ASMR with this one. Okay, so I didn't quite make it smart, but it's okay if you didn't make it smart. But yeah. So I want you guys to comment on to my videos that are not. And I just want to say that thank you guys for the subscribers. I love you guys so much. I love you guys so much. I mean, yeah, I love you guys so much. So thank you guys for 57 subscribers. I think so. 57 subscribers. And just thank you guys so much. Thank you. Thank you guys for 57 subscribers. I remember like when I was like I had like 19 subscribers, or like it was 29. Yeah, 29 subscribers. And thank you guys so much. Like very so much. Thank you. Okay, so let's get started with this slime. So this slime this slime is very soft, soft and tickly. The one thing that I hate about this slime is about that this slime is it's like there are too much like things in there. Like, I don't know guys if you can see, but too much hair is in here, but I don't care. But I just hate it. Too much hair. And the thing that I hate about this slime, I love about this slime is that like it just like soft, and like it just feels good when you touch it. Yeah. And this slime is new. I didn't make it, they buy it, but the color I made it. My sister made it because this is her slime. Yeah. So yeah, so let's get to it with another slime that I have. Okay, so the another slime that I have, this is not quite done, but I'm gonna get right back with the slime. But let's just get into this slime. This slime is just not like good. It's not that even done, but whatever. Who cares? I mean, yeah. So this slime have like spiders in there. Like I said, it's not really spiders, but yeah, I don't know if you can see, but here's the spiders. Wait. Okay, so here's the spiders. So yeah, I put it back in there. So let me see if they had another slime. They have two of them spiders, but there's nothing to do with this slime, so I'm just gonna put it back. I'm just gonna wait to get done because yeah, this slime is just messed up. I mean, it's not messed up. It's not done yet, but yeah. Okay, so like I was talking about another slime. Let me just take out the thing that I. So, okay, let's get into this slime. So this slime is very stuck. Like it's good. It's good. There's nothing wrong with him. Yeah. Okay, so this slime. I'm gonna play with this 1 minute. Wait, guys. I already played it. For like 1 minute. Oh, but yeah. So if you want me to like make another slime, you can comment. And please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, to my channel. And thank you guys for the subscribers. Yay. Yeah. But yeah, thank you guys for all this. And this was just the videos, and I promise guys gonna make videos in every Saturday. No, every Friday. Every Friday I'm gonna make a video. Every Friday and Saturday. So tomorrow too I'm gonna make a video. Every Saturday and Friday I'm gonna make a video. And every Wednesday I'm gonna make a short video too. Oh yeah. Bye guys.